Sergeant at Arms, followed by the two maces of the National Assembly and the Senate, followed by the clerks of the National Assembly and the speakers of the National Assembly and the Senate, the President of the Republic of Tanzania, Honorable Samia Suluhu Hassan, flanked by Honorable Justin Muturi and Honorable Kenneth Makele Lusaka, is making her way into the chamber of the National Assembly to give a historic address. She becomes the second president to address Parliament after former President of Tanzania, Jakaya Mrisho Kikwete. Now, I will hand you over for this historic joint sitting of the Parliament of Kenya. My name is Edward Kabasa. Enjoy your viewing.